Okay, pair programming. So, kind of the stereotype is the programmer is this lone wolf working all night drinking Red Bull, right? Don't bother me, I'll be there. But is there a more social way to program? And what would be the benefits of multiple people programming at the same time? And how would you prevent this one person from just doing all the work and the other person goes get coffee, right, and checks their mail, right? How do you prevent that, right? So suppose there's a more social way, and how do you keep one person from dominating? That's what pair programming is. And the goal is to improve software quality or making it done faster by doing two people at the same time. Now, it's not a natural thing to do, so we want you to try it in this class. And some people love it. Some students, they tried it, and they did their projects that way. They met every night, and they worked in pairs. And some companies love it. Pivotal Labs in particular is an example. So you should try this. This is a good thing to do in school and see what you think about it. So this is a picture from Pivotal Labs. There's their two employees here, Sarah and JR. And they sit side by side with the screens facing together. And to avoid distractions, you know this thing that can distract you from paying attention, there's nothing else on these machines. You can't do Facebook, you can't do Twitter, you can't read email. It's just workstations. So they sit together and they talk, and they play two different roles. There's a role called the driver, and that's the person at the keyboard entering code, thinking tactically about the current task, and explaining thoughts while typing. So if you've seen the medical shows with the surgeon's explaining, I'm going to cut here, and that's what the driver's doing. I'm at the keyboard explaining what doing. The observer reviews each line of code as types in and acts as a safety net for the driver and is thinking more strategically and saying things, making suggestions, driver, somebody. So that's interesting roles. And if pair programming is working, there should be lots of talking, and you're concentrating on the task at hand, not checking email. And it's an important part of pair programming that you alternate roles. That you don't want to have one person always be the driver, one person the observer. So 10 minutes, then you swap and you go back and forth. So how well does this work? When it's not very complicated, it's quicker, pair programming. When it's complicated, it yields higher quality codes, and since somebody's looking at it, maybe more readable code. But some studies indicate it's more effort than solo programmers, that you don't get twice as much productivity from two programmers in pairs as one. Now, when we talked about our friends at well, let me just mention that, talk to our friends at Pivotal Labs, they said, well, I don't know, in this modern world with Facebook and Twitter and stuff, that's not factoring in the distractions of the modern world. We don't get those distractions. In fact, at Pivotal Labs, people come in at 9 o'clock in the morning and go home at 6 o'clock at night, and they don't keep working. And the people who've been there for 3 weeks, they say, I've never worked so hard in my life. They're not used to just concentrating all the time in the day. So people go home at normal times. It's not kind of the modern Silicon Valley way of managing people, which is buying dinner, right? That's the advanced, okay, well, if I buy them dinner, they'll work longer. So I'm a manager, right? So it's hard for me. I don't know what to say about this. It may not be more effort, but that's what some studies say. It has this added benefit of educational benefit of transferring knowledge. When two people are sitting there, you can learn some programming idioms from the other one, or tricks of tools that you hadn't heard of, or how this company works, or latest technologies. And in fact, because of this, some people do pair programming. The team will swap where everybody works with everybody else to form pairs, and that's called promiscuous pairing. So the do's and don'ts, when you're the observer, don't be using your smartphone. It can work for people of different experience. You'll both learn. A great way to learn things is to try and teach it. Those of us, if you want to become a teaching assistant, that's a great way to learn things, is trying explaining it. And swap frequently. Please swap frequently. You exercise different skills when you're thinking tactically versus strategically, and it's a good thing to do.